Using 5S in your food facility. Today, we delve into the concept of 5S in food safety, a methodical approach to organizing and maintaining a clean workspace. My name is Felicia Liu, and I help food businesses optimize their operations. Get started on the path to enhanced food safety. Join me as we learn how to apply 5S practices in the kitchen and food facility. What exactly is 5S, and how does it relate to food safety? 5S stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. This structured methodology promotes efficiency, cleanliness, and safety in the workplace. Let's explore each step in detail. Sorting involves sorting through items in your workspace, identifying what is necessary and what can be removed. By eliminating unnecessary clutter, we reduce the risk of cross-contamination and enhance workflow efficiency. Setting in order focuses on arranging the essential tools, equipment, and supplies in a logical and accessible manner. This minimizes the risk of accidents, promotes a clean environment, and enhances productivity in food preparation. Shining involves regular cleaning and maintenance of the workspace. By keeping surfaces, equipment, and utensils clean, we prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants that can compromise food safety. Standardizing ensures that the 5S practices are consistently implemented and followed by all team members. Sustaining involves making 5S a continuous habit and regularly reviewing and improving the process. By standardizing and sustaining 5S, we establish a culture of cleanliness and safety in the kitchen. Ready to kickstart your 5S journey in food safety? Start by conducting a workspace assessment, involving your team in the process, and creating visual cues and checklists to guide implementation. Remember, consistency is key to reaping the benefits of 5S. I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on implementing 5S in food safety? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation and empower each other to create safer and more efficient work environments. Remember, by incorporating these simple yet effective principles, we can foster a culture of cleanliness and safety in our kitchens and food facility. Follow us, share and stay tuned for more food safety insights and tips.